Hey, Big Poppa here with a quick hit. I've got some leftover carnitas that you may have seen our video. Well, when you cook the carnitas, it's 18 pounds of pork. So you've got to kind of have a plan for it. But I love creating stuff with this protein afterwards. Leftovers, baby. So what I'm going to do, I've already done some of them, and come with these refrigerator biscuits. It's always good if they're cold, or these have been sitting out a little bit. I'm going to open them up. Then we're going to play with different stuffings and different flavors with the stuffings. So these are using just Pillsbury Grands, kind of a poor man cheater kolache, but let's go. Let's have some fun. We're going to place some pork in the center there. Let's just do some old school medium taco sauce. We'll seal them up at the end. Let's mix some hot and sweet jalapenos. Okay, so we got a candied jalapeno. We've got a taco sauce. Here's some Blue Top brand creamy hot sauce, chipotle, honey chipotle. Really, one of the biggest questions you get is, what do you do with leftovers? And I think leftovers are kind of the most fun. They're going to be kind of a surprise because we don't know which one they are when we bite into them. So these are an hors d'oeuvre, these are a breakfast, but these are a great use of a fabulous protein reuse. I'm just going to put a little candied jalapeno on the top of them so they look kind of cool. And they'll probably just give you a little friendly flavor bite. Friendly flavor bite. I love that. So here we go. Into the oven. See you in a few minutes. Okie dokie. The poor man's kolaches are done. There we have it. I'm gonna taste them in a little bit. But there you go, baby. Big Poppa's kolaches. Using Pillsbury biscuit, leftover carnitas, and various sauces.